In this video, I'll show you how to change the wallpaper of your iPad Air 5th generation from 2022. So the first step is to go into your settings. Open settings, and then on the left side menu, you should see wallpaper. Here it's already selected. If it's not, just tap on it and this will open on the right side. Here you'll be able to see what wallpaper you're currently using on your lock screen and on your home screen. To select a new one, you need to select Choose a New Wallpaper right above. Tap on it. Now you'll have two choices. You'll have dynamic wallpapers and stills. Dynamic, it just means that they're moving around. So the background will be slightly animated, let's say. So here you have many of these, you can select one. You can also choose a still wallpaper. By selecting this, you'll have many built-in wallpapers that come with your iPad. If you want to have a wallpaper that is from your pictures, all you have to do is to select here all photos. So let's say I want this one. All you have to do is to press on it. And now you'll be able to adjust it. Let's say you want to be zoomed in. Just take two fingers and zoom into the picture. And then you can move it around and position it the way you want. Once you're done doing this, you just need to press the Set button here on the lower right corner. And it will ask if you want this new wallpaper to be for your lock screen or for your home screen, or both. Let's say I want it to be for both of them. I'll select both. It will take just a second and it will be done. I can now exit the settings and I'll be able to see the wallpaper right there. If I close my iPad and open it again on my lock screen, the new wallpaper will be presented to me. So thanks for watching. I hope this was useful. Please leave a like and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one.